Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to explore cinematic color moods using Color Lookup. Start by opening your image in Photoshop and take a moment to understand the mood you want to create. Once the image is ready, go to the Adjustments panel and click on Color Lookup. This adds a Color Lookup adjustment layer, which is completely non-destructive and perfect for cinematic grading. In the Properties panel, open the 3D LUT dropdown and begin previewing different LUTs. As you hover over each option, notice how the shadows, highlights, and midtones react. Cinematic looks often rely on controlled contrast and subtle color shifts rather than extreme